Hey friends, this is Marta and today we have a very special guest with us. Welcome, Leticia.
Hi.
We will be doing what I like to call thrift flip and swap. That it's basically that we're gonna go to a second-hand shop here in Madrid called La Sostenible, and we will be picking each other a piece of clothing and trying to customize it, changing it, so that the other person likes it. Now, what I know about you is that you have a pretty cool YouTube channel called Sustainable Teacher, that you do a very educational and very informative YouTube content. And there you will be able to find the video of Leticia's process and how she did everything. And the problem is that I barely know your style. So we will be going through each other Pinterest boards to try to figure out what's the style. So show me.
Okay, so this is my Pinterest. I have three folders.
Okay.
This is like kind of my own style.
Okay.
If I should name it somehow, I would say minimalism, Scandinavian minimalism,
I get
something
it.
similar, okay? But it's true that colors in the Scandinavian minimalism are kind of
More neutral, I would
yeah,
say.
neutral, but maybe grey and black, and I don't think they suit me too much.
Okay, so you like the aesthetic, but the colors.
Yeah,
you
I
prefer
tend
different.
more to beige, brown.
Okay.
Sometimes brighter colors like maroon or burgundy.
But in those cases, you pick like one piece of clothing that is that color. So like a pop of color.
Yeah,
in
for
your
instance, I
outfit.
have like this red, black, like cardigan, but the shirt is kind of
pop.
colorful. Yeah, that's the thing.
Nice. Okay, I get it.
Okay, so this is the idea. In winter, a lot of jumpers, comfy pants, jeans.
Yeah, like kind of loose.
Yeah, more loose than fitted.
Okay.
This is the idea.
Okay, so I see like plain clothes, no patterns.
Yeah.
But as we said, maybe some pop of colors.
Yeah, sometimes a little. But for instance, this dress has some small pattern. So that's it.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
that's the idea. And this is kind of more sophisticated thinking about work. But you can get some ideas.
Yeah,
too.
like I see the line here.
Yes.
Okay.
In this case, maybe the trousers are more formal, or maybe more shirts and t-shirts.
I don't know, like what we are gonna be purchasing is piece of clothing, right?
Yeah.
Like not accessories, no shoes.
The idea is piece of clothing.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, so I think we have an idea. Now let's see what we find in the shop, because we don't know what's gonna be there, so it's gonna be kind of difficult.
Yeah, that's the challenge of
challenge.
second hand, right?
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go. Let me show you. How can I? Okay. So, like this kind of pattern can be pretty nice. And I've seen also neutral tones that she likes, but also like we can add a little bit of color with this kind of things. Like for example, adding a pocket. I'm back from the shop, ready to start working, and I'm gonna show you first all the pieces that I've got. I got 3 of them because it was really cheap, so I think I'm gonna do a full outfit. outfit out of them. This is the first piece. It's a skirt. It's a lovely fabric. I really like it. These are some trousers, kinda like formal, like she wanted. And I have beautiful plans for this. And I also have a shirt in this terracotta color. You might be thinking that those are my colors. We will be doing piece by piece. I think I'm gonna start with the back, and from there we will see how much fabric of this type we have. Let's get things done. First thing you might need to know is that I'm not gonna be using this as a skirt. I'm only gonna be using the fabric of this. And the idea is to make a bag, medium-sized bag. I was thinking on a backpack, but we will see how much fabric we have. And I sketch and sketch until I had a clear image of the project, and I could make all the pattern pieces, which are, by the way, linked down below. And these are the two complementary fabrics I pick to match the hound tooth, I'm not sure that's how it's pronounced, pattern. I used a safety pin plus an elastic to turn the handles right side out.
One eternity later.
Don't you think I finished? We have done this part of the bag, the main part of the bag, and you can see here the fabric of the skirt, this other brownish fabric that I had from previously, and this other green fabric. This is the zipper of the skirt, and inside I've used EVA foam for the bottom because I think it's more sturdy like this. I had it from another project, and I also tried to secure, well, not secure, like make it more durable, I guess, this brown fabric and this other green fabric as well. I've used this white one that basically you use the iron to attach it and glue it to the fabric that you want. Make it more sturdy. Now, and this is the inner part of the bag that I was using the linen of the skirt. I have pins here. And there is a little pocket in here as well. I don't know, like I tried to do my best, you know. And these are the handles, as well as this pocket. I tried to use the same green and the white fabric that make it more sturdy. I think it's convenient for the handles. And yeah, what's driving me crazy now is that I don't know really how to attach this, because you know, we have the opening here. I think I will try to close it. I will try to do like a, you know, like slip here a little cord and make it, you know, to close it. And on the back then we have to attach the handles and the flap. The tricky part is how. So I thought about using this rectangle to do, well, to at least be able to run the machine a few times through here and attach everything pretty good. Now, as you can imagine, the handles need two attaching points. Okay, one can be that one and here, but the other one needs to be here. So I have to basically rip this seam and sew it again. Anyway, those would be the last few things that we have to do. So reveal at the end, and now let's continue with the next project. The pants had this loose formal cut with the folded bottom, and this is the part I'm picking to embroider a geometric pattern. But first, the waist had to be adjusted. My pants are ready to be embroidered. They should fit now Leticia. And as you can see, I had some time working yesterday on this, but there was no light to record. But I ended up finishing this leg. And you can see this is the before, let's say, and this is the after. As you can see, I decided to make the pants longer, and basically after that started embroidering. I used this technique called sashiko, and it creates these beautiful geometric patterns. In this case I picked like a floral one, but there are a lot of types. You can search that out. For this type of embroidery, it's essential to draw guidelines, okay? We will try to make them even for a cleaner and more, let's say, professional look. And now the fun part. Once we have our sashiko pattern clear, here's mine, we will trace the lines with our needle and thread, leaving the pertinent gaps in each line. I first run all the vertical lines, then the horizontal lines, and lastly the diagonal ones. The right way to do this sashiko is like this, not taking the needle out, but following one stitch after another, pleating the fabric along the needle. Okay, so both legs are finally finished. I really love this little detail, and I don't want to really do anything else up here because now we have the shirt, and well, you will see. The blouse I picked for Leticia is in between this formal and informal look, since it has this shirt-like collar, but you can also tie a knot in the front when you don't feel like tucking the shirt in. And to add more personality to it, I'm gonna decorate the buttonholes. and work a simple embroidery in the fake pocket flap that will ideally match the embroidery in the pants. I ended up adding these little daisy flowers as buttons because I find them really cute, and it was not difficult to make using polymer clay and the matching pocket with some daisies as well embroidered. It's really not that difficult, so just 2 different colors, and in the middle you do a French knot and the rest is just simple stitches. And with that is all completed, the 3 projects. Let me show you the back here and the trousers. It's time to pack this and give it to Leticia. I hope she loves it. I'm back at Leticia's place because now she's gonna hand what she thrift and flip for me, and you can find in this video all the process and how she reacts to the things I made. Now, are we ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah. I made 2 things.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is the first one.
Oh my god, it's so cozy. Can I open?
Yeah, of course.
Wow!
It's
Wow.
kind of sunflower.
Wow. I think you can see it from far, but let me show you from up close. Like, this is so cute.
It was difficult to make it patterned because of the
Yeah.
thickness of the yarn.
Yeah.
So it was, I think,
But
patterned.
it's professional. I really like it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And now we have a second thing.
Okay, close my eyes again.
You can
Okay.
open them if you want.
That's so cool. It actually reminds me, I have right now a teddy bear that is this color, and it
With
has like a bow
Mm-hmm.
here. And
Oh,
it's
with
the same.
that pattern
Yeah.
tissue.
Ah, that's so cute.
So I tried to make, I think I'm gonna sit down like here right now.
Okay.
If you want. I make them longer with this.
Mhm.
And I try to make it kind of patchwork because, you know, I know you like
Yeah.
those
Yeah.
textures or whatever.
Mhm.
And on the back
Yeah.
pockets,
So
you also have this.
this is a very nice detail.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. So yeah, I absolutely love this.
But you won't be able to use them until next winter.
I mean, that's fine. I can keep it in the wardrobe.
I wanted
But-
to make them. The problem, you know, it was the shirt
Mm-hmm.
because I couldn't find
So
a
this
shirt
was
with
a
the col-
shirt?
This was a shirt.
Okay.
It was. No, anything more. And it was just a piece of fabric.
Okay.
It wasn't. It used to be a trousers also,
Mhm.
but when I bought them, it was fabric.
Oh,
So
it's really
la
nice to know the
sostenible.
story. Well, you can find everything over on
Yeah.
our video,
That's
the
it.
process and
And
everything.
the only thing I don't like is that I wanted to match colors with the jumper,
Uh-huh.
but I wanted to make a sunflower for you.
I mean, I love sunflowers, so
Yeah, so maybe you don't have to use them both together. What?
that's okay.
It's okay.
I really love them. Thank you so
I'm
much.
glad.
Ah, that's so cute. Ah. I'm so excited. Okay, so that was basically it. Yeah, it was really fun. Maybe we could try another
Yeah,
time.
we should do another challenge.
Maybe do it summer theme or something. I don't know. We will think about it. But it was so cool. Okay, so that was it. Leave a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to visit her channel, Sustainable Teacher. And that's it. See you soon. Bye.